Welcome, my people. Let's make vegetable soup. Very easy, quick, delicious vegetable soup. You can use any protein of your choice, meat, fish, whatsoever. So what you want to do is just spice it up. You can spice it up with whatever you want, salt, Maggi, just to give your protein make it tasty. So the next one, I'll be showing you the ingredients I used. So guys, my vegetable soup. This is water leaf. I got it in that store where we buy African food. This dry vegetable. I brought it. I came with it. So I soaked it with water. So that's why it's like this. This is my fish. I cut it, seasoned it, roasted it. Okay, this is like roasted fish. This is my dry fish, right? Dry catfish, smoked fish. Both of them I have washed and I soak them inside hot water so they're ready to go into the pots, right? So these my onions, this my dry pepper. This my seasoning, no Maggi, no crayfish, Maggi, crayfish, salt, okay. And this is my in our side we call it okpei, but it's locust beans. It came very dry, so I soaked it inside hot water. You can see. So before I get to where I'm going to use it, by then it would have melted also. So this I found in that store. They said cream for vegetable soup. So it's like a thickener, Vegetable soup is not meant to be watery or that. It's not meant to be watery, not meant to be too watery, it's not meant to be too thick. So this is like a thickener. It comes in a powder form. So I put water and just mix it. So I'll be putting it gradually so I will know. Because it's my first time, let me not put it too much. I'll just put it gradually. I might not actually use all of them. So anyone that is remaining, I'll just put it in the fridge. And this is my crayfish. My crayfish. I don't really know the quantity I'll put, so that's why you don't put it inside the plate. I just left it like that because I know I'm putting Maggi crayfish. I'm putting dry fish, stockfish. So I think all those things will just work. I'll just put a little bit of crayfish, or maybe I'll put crayfish and I won't put dry fish. Okay, all right, let's cook. Then of course red oil. This red oil I brought from Nigeria. It's almost finished, so once it's done we'll start buying from here. So because it's I put it inside hot water, that's why it has there's water inside. I just put it inside water so it will melt a little. All right, let's cook. First of all, you want to heat up some oil, red oil. I hope my red oil will be enough. Oh my god, please be enough. So you have to cook in a very low heat. So So you have to cook in a very low heat, not cook in a high heat because I have a smoke detector. Yeah, it is. I have a smoke detector, so I don't want water pouring on my food. So cook in a very low heat, okay? Putting it to number 4, and going in with my stockfish. I'm going in with my dry fish. Okay, this food will make sense. So just want to give it stir. Now my salt, pepper, Maggi crayfish at the end.
So I've put all my spices, putting the Maggi cubes now.
You know, this vegetable soup is very quick and easy to make, you know. So what next? I put my crayfish, the crayfish I showed you previously. You want to put enough crayfish if you're using maybe less dry fish and stockfish and all those fish things. So you can also put your prawns, you know, that's whatever protein you want to put. You can put your dried skin, like they call it pomoye, you know. So what I'm going to put now is my dried vegetable, which I have soaked. Please mind you, you know, vegetable is it's, you don't want to soak it in hot water. You just want to soak it in cold water, leave it for some time, then you can use it. Why it's dark is because, you know, obviously we had to dry it before bringing it to the UK. So if you can get a fresh vegetable where you are, fine and good. So the next thing is I'm going to put my water leaf. Water leaf has been washed, cut and ready to go. So I actually made the video very self-explanatory, you know, very self-explanatory, and I will stop talking so you can actually concentrate on the video. It got to a part I removed this fish because obviously I don't want the fish to get pieces in the soup, you know. So when I was about adding my thickener, like I showed you guys previously, I had to remove the fish. But why I put the fish now is so that the spice I put in the vegetable, like the pepper, the crayfish and everything, will actually enter the fish. Then when I was ready to put the thickener, if you can't find that vegetable thickener, you can use corn flour, mix it with water, or you can use dry pap. Yoruba call it ogi, you know, dry pap, and just put it in your vegetable soup. So but if possible, you can try as much as possible, like I did in this video, trying to prevent, you don't want to put too much water. You're not cooking egusi soup, or I don't know, but vegetable soup needs to be thick. So now I'm adding the thicker, like I said. So I'm just going to shut up and let you guys watch the video. Thank you. Down to the main part. The main part where we eat the thing. Please, this soup is very delicious, very delicious, very delicious. I made this soup for it to last for a week, but 2 days, my chairman. You know, the food contains everything. It contains protein, it contains fiber. It's a very good, someone that's looking for someone that wants to lose weight, you know, but you still want to look healthy. You can also eat this with whatever you have, rice, plantain, yam, you know, or you take it as a swallow. So I made gari and I'm giving chairman.
Chairman of my heart. I don't know why the video is just turning on its own, but please, I'm still trying to understand how to do this video editing thing. But thank you guys for watching. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to tell me what you think about it. All right, thank you. Bye.